Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno7 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find display and brightness. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see here we've got the option auto screen off, so let's enter, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, and those are quite short options, I would say, quick options. And we've got also 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now I've got 30 minutes option applied, and this option is marked. And all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see, we do not have to enter this option again because it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your OPPO Reno7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.